What does a wiring diagram have to do with TPMS? Sometimes we run across difficult diagnostic problems with TPMS. Some systems are direct, some indirect. Some manufacturers may use a combination of both. Sometimes there's one antenna, sometimes it may be the same antenna as a keyless transmitter. Sometimes there may be multiple antennas, one at each wheel. The bottom line, a wiring diagram can help you understand the system you're working on, and when you grab your scan tool, it can help you with diagnostics, looking at the data you need to see.
So what's going on if you see your TPMS light flashing on the dash? Well, if it's on solid, that's usually an indication of one or more tires that need air. However, if the light starts flashing, that's a problem with the actual TPMS system. Maybe a failed sensor, a possible module issue, or some wiring causing the sensors to not be able to communicate correctly. And when that light's flashing, it's time to grab the scan tool and go ahead and get diagnosing.
When you're diagnosing a TPMS problem, it's easy to know where the sensor is. It's going to be in the wheel, behind the valve stem. But where is the antenna? The antenna could be in a ton of different positions. It could be in the glass. It could be in the wheel well, behind the fender liners. It could even be inside the ignition switch using the same module it uses for RKE or keyless entry. So just keep this in mind and look at that service information to diagnose a difficult vehicle with a TPMS sensor that will not program or learn.
Do run flat tires need TPMS sensors? The answer is absolutely. Run flat tires are an excellent safety feature that allow you to continue driving even after a complete loss of air. With some run flat tires, you can't even tell that they've lost air, but there are limits. Run flat tires typically can only go about 50 miles at 50 miles an hour before they themselves will become a safety hazard. So TPMS, absolutely required for run flat tires. It's part of the safety systems on your car.